nka echofu mu ato nkwane mu because of more ko do kare
I'm in chamosu so that yan vice versa yan for kakran fi parliament na for the rest in fi out of parliament because say yan dama as a how be baba there will be a challenge how be baba because say ministers when you parliamentary affairs mo ko do parliament now was a budget have now parliamentarians will approve one because parliamentarians now will approve every budget every seat MP na here one constituency parliamentarians here na wabayamo it is our ministers and come on we be at the cabinet level
oh so we go to aye on is wey juma aye
the
bills and pass bills
make policies but sometimes say you lobby from each other for things to be done faster. That is the reason why it say when okay, and vice versa. See, say yenye kasim fee outside. Na you bear 30% in parliament. Me feed them job, but I can't absolutely no one for minister bia or no so another cost too, because a minister na say MP cost no from kaka. But say minister different, MP different na. And there a man so boboko. As a nation so, one so. No. Man boboko. One boboko. Because a minister. We look at the MP involved. Yeah, say MP minister. No, a minister and MP about 1p. But this is the case. Why do ministry position more important? Into minister now boboko free. Obey you free. Yeah, minister be Juma. Yes. MP for what she does. I'm not sure there. Obama Ejuma na economy then wakoso. Because say minister pays 1p. But this is you put to no budget pay no. Obama budget. That is true. But also looking at the workload. Some there's a disadvantage. Looking at the workload. There's a disadvantage involved in the current system. Maybe you Obi aircraft involved in the current system. Maybe you Obi aircraft was not complain about this.
No. Yeah, that would be different.
Yeah,
look at the current system. No,
because our legislature, bra. Neza brain bia. Na ya hwam neza brain bia. Na ya hwam ba neza yempuntu wo fom exam bia. Iyo. Aza MPP where is the two one? And never saw do. David. Oh, it's not about my MPP here was about two. Maybe before you now on yen. Are you telling me that we are continuing with it? No, on yen be there on you. Because under Article 71 for why more committee young way juma. No implementation na about why didn't you stop the implementation? Okay, maybe on yen entirely ni na on yen. Maybe bibi ma are you sure? I'm sure. Very sure. Cross check. No, you can even cross check. Yeah, cross check. Cross check. In terms of budget, numbers not that too. Yeah. At the point we got 123 over thousands of presidential staffers. Yeah, thousands. Currently, IGP or yeah. The last time I police, or rank to my IGP.
Oh, okay. Is it the
COP, Commissioner of Police. Commissioner of Police. Say me, I don't know. Edua. Within one person, what one there? If they on to police institutions, bear one azi. No one can say one IGP. But when you be also, definitely they'll consult the presidency.
Yeah.
Because I'm to make autonomous and say be a president in him. Because president now knows
it was an issue phone. But
actually, I can't for you.
Oh, Master Jai, a partner or a Benimuno. No, go be. It's good to be rough. Where you may be on ya. On two many Yejuma in Tier 1. It has always been in this Ghana. It has always been affected against those in opposition.
Temper justice with mercy is all baby.
But not to that extent. I always say in democracy.
But democracy no say you.
David.
I think that
don't say Siano. Different there. Say Sia NDC wa benemi. NDC chairman B. Okay, BBA. it is treated differently as compared to being opposition, the chairman, because IGP don't have that
multi-dollar once IGP are working under president. So maybe there's a president of flower. Definitely you soften your ground.
That is where the problem is.
And this is not to move you. Because this time leaders.
As if they knew about my year for 100% too, but you can't put my limit to the extent that I'm not familiar the system is working.
But you can testify that the system is working.
The system is not working as we are expecting.
As we are
expecting. You think that things are working, but where I am also sitting, I see that a lot of things are not in place. I'm moving there. IGP day. Say, IGP independent committee will appoint IGP. It will help. We have a phone no afre osimesi na oda wetum woye madom na woye mumwa ema mbrano yense ye djuma nto obi onyi kama fon na de bia wose mbrano wose win obi wa abenu we ko wie sika bubuja millions of cities billions of cities woye ne hwe ibukwa wo de bebu wose na okay play back game na on top and on tie sika no so obi ko wie bronze ko wose okay dem 7 years are we being fair?
We are not being fair as a nation, but I think that
we need to also strengthen our judicial system. After 34 years.
After 34 years. So let him there. There say man only because of politics. It's not man was sending to mama for the next 20 years. So to be honest with you, because a man went to Puni in Alawanya down 4 years, 5 years, wasn't to Puno.
No, what is Mumna? Or then Kajanama, Otsano.
I was so you to two no if you can't someone on phone, you have a good name as Atasan. See, we used to get a Kufonimi in a Kofa Domino, be a present to be an Kayaman. Yeah, but I know 7 years, 7 years. Just as no, or 5 years. Do you agree with the 5 years? Yeah, 4 years. No, you have 5 years. Mama. Sir, I'm on Bunayo. Sagano fu isebeta fache ye serious kaka about your leadership ayi wana nchama no oboko ne shabra president mama wa benim oriya nzama kasa zama mani ya waka che no ye incompetent ya watu no fiama watu abadi tien mo kwai MPP obe abazo poti no obe but we go ahead and vote for them 2020 that 8 years obotu wa bibi papa. But I'm money na for ne eba na so 1 year upon exam and has born you about 21 into people be serious in governance shoma ma ko obey na la de no mu da won no ye djuma kasa kati hwesi sa oyen transfer 3 of man na oyen atasa eche amafu ye busia de so da mo sama akoko do wona na individual other podcast wo hunye madam no ba akoko ba sema na akomefe yimpa we the whole airport fufu complete airport fufu complete terminal 3 what's so the whole harbor but for zaman what's so incompetent yet to obey the tie no yimpa competent no obey no we do one year extra kunko or rationalize how bonus ma obi nipa for 25 years every the contract now obi okada is out of ignorance it's not MPP before 10 years na mama or for expansion or add 15 years to that where 50 years it's about you don't have to say that you don't have to say that or 25 years after
25 years
yes but on your mama no your dama argument in 25 years no until argument 10 years no argument Nipana bonu must na apa support wa no it's not about support the devil is in the details I think I contract no details na we have not done any good diligence they did it but we have not done any good to this country. We have done a lot of things. Reporter che e got a car wa bo chimpo as ba ne bo fofofo as bo report ha na ekria sika bubrija na ode tua miwa ni nearby our neighbors
Cote d'Ivoire na other surrounding countries.
So we free for
nkofo profit was about for her.
But in nation building you have to suffer before you gain. The last time suffering the days of the last time I was telling somebody be there. I brought mobile phone. Let me go in bit to Tama. That is around 95, 96. No, we use more better. Also, Bosum use what you 380,000 time. Right? Scout come business in Numun. And what is telecommunication or phone kakra. So a matter of time. Atasa. A matter of time. And I got for you with Eba Electoral Commissioner. Electoral Commission the same. Or sending independent people. Now, what shall I now about to sure, someone like Afrijan, no nonsense man. No, every day a support party and no support party. But to do be tuned that party and everyone. So I'm at the edge of the demo working in chair. You are independent people were manumu. More ones in A party B. No, she ever set up committee. No one appoint one. No one about to do because about to know I don't know my man. Oya asomje ano ma eman ojija baby bebre wa ko bebre wa aboto no wa ma ikro na ejija etano so me wan ya adwende ente no se ba fa independent minded people no wa ba wo hwe electoral commission no wa set up goals there dey na ya because CI 91 as to aban also be ba what to aban 1 year registration by no jane kada chise metro office na ka register ho was the by independent minder. About no, Brandon today, you're from Brandon for you. And as well also, your support today, your band, and you're now about to credibility now. We're going to know where to what means?
Now, a cruise also wasn't there. Yen, I am for. Yeah, Yamon, Quan. Now, into young for I would say, I yaji, I am to if you want to. Into only to empower. So that the information is so very relevant in our governance. And sometimes it's simple. If you been either directly or indirectly, was one who jammed same. Always, especially doing something for the government of the day to capture. Either somebody is trying to capture catch the eye of the speaker. Indeed, the chiefs are also trying to catch the eye of the president and not the government.
I am for some years. I always said there. And biala modern democracy both traditional authority na government yan axis and democracy but mo powers are what jeff influence ma American because they are from her here as assembly yan kabo yan na asaber manana and be mature yan kabo na mandia o mo kwan ma yan because I'm a crowd atasa it is still I from our system no mu and when there ain't be one 7 ebon there most also no carry no on carry no ye ozono aka from man yesem enti say me yan nessa party e wo power ma aka sa me zama party e na ma party e no we bo amobu na me yehwe eja party bi ba maka so obete mu za ejuma yeah because you be no wa affairs na me peda mo bo bianism so about no radio center do no Kasa against NDC you will be surprised that you are here but son no you so also power so but all these things are it's such a person abanis son of Kasa e bia humbu de sebeta fache nitra but you want fu be wa Kasa amempemba eden ote sha yan nana osabe man no ko sata doctor aban biana Kasa ote because of one far from among you same atasa
but now before even the 2024 elections no people were accusing him
people are accusing him there what's why left ban my NDC rally
they were accusing him of the support I think the MPP candidate
sir
because there was no accord number near
then would me I remember very well. What bachina Ayinzinewa. No, we made letter area Ayikoo. there is one supi we wo fon supi yaro
papa
yeah no ahane dem wa Ayikoo room 9 eso e won Friday wo ba fa yen na there watching him wo kroma atasa intame mi yan hin ni there onye A political onye B political onye neutral you able to me say maybe obaseni e bi na maka ni was wa left man NDC abai rally no was NDC it is as also ayabanwa so you can imagine because of his fairness to the people because I know Dr. Asabe Mokosata on fanu far from man yensem onye da mazi atasa although e bia one weakness atasa Tanazi, but I know this modern democracy is both government and the traditional rulers. Because I remember one of the course I hear was UCC question about modern democracy. It's both traditional authority and the government. As for anything, okay. Rest assured, I am they are part of the government.
But when you comment on tribunal and account. Tribunal is on recommendations no. I
said tribunal no. I has order constitutional mandate. It's constitution. It's what you do now.
Bill.
It's
that time when they been put parliament in Polo.
It's what you there. And it's constitution no. Oh, yeah, elder one year constitutional review and cut tribunal no she. Because when there is going to serve a purpose. Because maybe time now. Embedded wa besha nde ni effecting on yende chese china ibo also do e chire bo na mben me hia biom o se na me sure but tribunal nza na hia pa ye so that all of us will be disciplined. As I'm sitting down here I'll be disciplined because excuse me I'm an assembly member. If I'm not disciplined was as I'm come mende mo fan kama me amafo ma afa
traditional tribunal system no man for discipline.
But
we can create a disciplined society. That man America for the market here kwan we go 14 na 14 na azi abra eduwa ka pon na ozai market. Assembly go to decide there we want to discipline the people.
May the chief be oji wanna work on komi na na asana bebia. This is how we behave. A human being.
So you discipline the people. You want if you put security in place so that they will not come back. Obi oba bibia no ye fa nyama ezeko. That is discipline. But obi oba basa
availability of money.
No, how much resources do you need to do that?
Because I can for security don't you know no funders for security 10.
Oh, security maybe I would your kon ojiji nkofu sika.
Jimpiati una.
Jimpiati funkotin.
But Jimpiati City guard
but they be a okazan. China watch busy bona watching no. I went to Muntia no was oko. I went to Muntia and Obeja.
As for that one, I know I disagree.
As a way.
Do you know the reason why I disagree?
Then you clean up where you could catch any could have you there. Only from Lima Junction, on from quite inside 1 year she, who do on pay 10 and 26 from one Gofla Wajin and one walk and watching one no jam one they will load. How can we develop a man with this kind of attitude? Until they are also a bigger part of the problem. So we need disciplined leaders, not necessarily tribunal.
Yeah.
We shouldn't make purpose that tribunal system will come and discipline people. But we need disciplinary leaders.
I remember. About the hay. That is not discipline. Because I don't understand the reason why
there was discipline. There was discipline. Banasco. Can Banasco discipline Banasco. Okita bet na wonam kum e be se na se address na se wo ka create show for what show. I should be men dress them addressing from Bokum. But who dare you? They put my catch be see abede. What dress ma serve na kokoda. Shani na and the nam jashin the shaza Ayikoo share. Ego share ibu opere jashin.
I mean me rabo futu bia we no football. And then that one is Ayikoo shama Kasa me akubo USA one. No we. Na yazi ifun call Roman Chapel dem. You call Roman Chapel dem one of the ushers. We try make up no way punenu funde. No way try oya. On Ferraz wa chef if about so dem.
Obi aso ntu an ka.
Na mo so mo pa wo do na mo ka ji na me watch na no funtom dem people think that I lose. I intentionally do that. I want to work on if it's up with them. And now, me open to be some me shut down the mere damage. So on Ferraz and one shut down my dear if you have about surfing. Most of my son, most of the Ferraz and about surfing. No, Sophie now was Robaca. Listen, Ferraz and about surfing. Dress in a house and even because I said, look at the name which I mean if we tell them. I want to go there. So your friend has happened there, but sometimes I don't know what our education and education is part of our problem. Education is part of system. So as an education, if you don't feed our school when you're scanty, they can do whatever they want to do. If you want on better ever can never some. No, Kasa afono sono lazo diamond tena ozei iti kakao you are envy teneba we want jeneba echineba na zebat but sometimes sense ko ya kasa inde ebon there aneba sebio me responsibility no that cheneba na then because of my former one learn from the PSN no abo corrupt over that is it so that kasa na aba machari secondary schools and universities no corrupt over was and that is the problem. That is the problem. I'm not doing kasa because I mean no mama bounce she sent to be accepted to fight it doesn't speak well because you can't even leave my because I mean me honorable member as I wear free no I mean me go to away with date free honorable people question your credibility so but you find them you want okay that means we do our bit kaka ebotum ya yen za no ye be ye enti waso elhwen waso kaka ebotum ya no let's build a disciplined society, a nation that will be proud of tomorrow when we are even dead and gone, for the generations yet unborn and the generations living, so that they will take up legacies. In yede you say your man is what now about to be on one way in the park. In Tinema, 1 year build a manner, one hour take over in the years to come. No, they will be proud of their fathers and their forefathers. You know, I'm just there. As do you want to become a professional broadcaster, news reporter, presenter, camera operator, or video editor? Then the opportunity for you is here. Kasa TV Multimedia Production presents a 6-week intensive radio and TV training program designed to equip you with practical media skills for today's competitive industry. Participants will be trained in news gathering, news reporting, radio and TV presentation, camera handling, video and audio editing, news writing, voice training and diction, interview techniques, digital journalism, media ethics, media law. Na ye courses or more than 10 hour beche bebre beche unina or pember no za che unina. And upon successful completion, trainees will be given the opportunity to undertake internships with Coastal TV and other partner radio stations within town, and then other regions. Another nation will be a pedaka internship biano. You be arrangement tambo. Na kwakoye. Ekwoye one internship na se we na se wodwuma so enya. Na so obafo wodwuma wo appointment letter na we tio ko bosom bia na wo so etum anya bibi ezi. Na chere enya dwuma na area. And so apply or pick a form from the front desk of Coastal TV at Pedu, Morocco, Cape Coast, or call 0246 731 371 0246 731 371. Kasa TV Multimedia Productions, training the next generation of media professionals. Jumezino yamabwa oye 8 September na yabashase it's 8 September na yashase with the training pebe we chira se pebe bi ada eba ring na yamo baby ma ada na ako true training program fe na also abe professional and qualified journalist na enye dwuma no so aye nti Bigman yebo so in terms of the review no yebo so ne wa American President Trump want to America for the 2 hours money about that gay issue
the over about chado
and this is America say watch you let's say transgender What normally no wala na be in the don I will be in Bessia. No was walk to be in prison. Maybe the Dama umbrella America we use now when we do almost some photo now. What
LGBTQ.
We're going to feel there. Oh, boy, what practice on the unborn away. Look at this mentality. Will I be a chromosome? When you baby papa da, a yata papa share. That's what be another one the new chrono original one never practice. Are you no excuse me? Are you mama? Are you mama? Because answer now, boy, according to my brother, Boy Germany, never Mariam. Oko school with Trenical. Tama, no wife. Yeah, I know wife is separating now, or share ban. One more year, my brother, yet more share ban, German boy, about 4 Trenical. You understand? There's a system in place. Since our friend was start to school, now what's the since our friend start to school, see when you one minute, you mother uncle. You see, they have everything in place, so they have system in place. We're going to some funny Zamajin Jano, and now at the happy be about Romani, although Coco, I say, a promise who if he no 7 someone some fat and essay a practice. Are you normal? Are you normal? It says, if you were here, or send there. One don't know why it be. Make a tell because I know the hey. As I mean, but I don't blame them. I blame one family members and I was someone. Oh yeah, one family members and I was someone. I'm never blame one.
That is the point.
Blame one pa because as it was and I'm on the E or you female from babies. No, because I'm the damn there. Wow, about was no trebusium now. I can't assume. Some year to me a jay, some but a busayan to me a jay. It was oversee. No, and yet the best I came there with say, I'm there sometimes maybe be man can you know one guy. What catch a man can know from me? Make a cadet. Yeah, so I have to be disciplined because I often walk at enemy more than if you consume. More than if you fear in Zif one fee.
That is the point. To us, so areas or the mass number of original wagon.
What my discipline there. In some people on boy. My so my so the impo. El Atasa. And you can say, comes you know. You're road, you be you saw on the pay, but Kasa, that's Abba Swedena. Mark of Sweden Banet in the fair TV. 9 o'clock TV, Sweden TV were often. The Bano Quaduma. If you walk about was out to Sweden, well, watch Sweden, why news, current affairs, 8 o'clock, 8:30, shim, TV no go off. Just how much you
no, but 24/7.
24/7. Yabaka Sasum and man, baby, 1 hour. Are we not thinking what is wrong with us?
That's a problem.
I wasn't know. Let's start thinking as rational human beings. Then you also say better when you say Musuma coming on
from 16 years and below, one limit one.
No, what take off on the social media some
platforms.
Shouting an answer, and an answer. And then an answer man can tap for 3 a.m. No, I'm sorry, them will go to car, may now go hospital. When you float. A bench baby, or you baby pedal, I need the pedo, I need the wild one. I said, what? Can you imagine? What is happening? What is happening? And then, I'm a colleague assembly members. You go assembly Augusta. They should mark my words. I'm going to a table motion. Look at table motion. I have been 7 in 9 o'clock. Your police are super way now. We send you to court. We are not going to sit down and allow Cape Post, the future of Cape Post to be deteriorated. What is all this? Something, excuse my wife. My former can come out to school, they won't 3 a.m. When was the ban? Why? What practice are we? What future are we building for this town? And nobody is talking. Nobody is talking. Nobody is care for pauper. What is that? Someone say, well, man, why? The seat of education at the Shaman. When we are hospital, yes, and they are doctors and nurses will show you what is the watching because women are showing you why nurse, why doctor. I want to work. They don't follow you, they don't care what the hell you are? What is this?
Bigman,
No.
He's there.
I'm washing why?
You know,
Listen, if you are man, try it and see. Try it and see.
Issues now yeah discuss. Then we appeal to the conscience of the people. Then you know we are building the future. And we are not building individuals. We are building the future, a nation. Until we are also one in Nipa. In some way, from business and me and from Zah, then we have a universal system that will be working for all of us to feel good. Devoid of politics. This time no politics no ya was say yen man into yana as a adwin papa ato ho kakra ya adwin yen man dachi aha na ezi bibia besi mensa kan oya munia Bigman ono ye assembly member for Ayikoo Tantri Electoral area na over cancer my year discussion share constitutional review for one recommendations was aba ma abanje ajatum na ma wa aban anjantum ya kan wasa mi is there nyamobwa onyina no wonderful for e besan so e hye bio mesen sedani abawana nyame adoma e be hia e don ase bebre